Good morning, student. Chapter number 6, Molecular Basic of Inheritance. Salient features of human genome. In 3 marks, the human genome contains 3164.7 billion nucleotide bases. First base is nucleotide 3164.7 million. Second, the average of gene consists of 3000 bases, but sizes vary greatly, with largest clone human gene dystrophin at 2.4 million base. Third, the total number of genes estimated 30,000, much lower than previous estimate to 80,000 to 1 lakh to 40,000 gene. Almost 99.9% nucleotide base, exactly the same all people. Fourth points, the function of unknown 50% of the nucleotide sequence discovered by gene. Fifth, less than 2% of the genome codes for protein. Most important for these salient features of human genome, 2% of genome codes for proteins. 6. Repeated sequence make up very large portion in human genome. Very large portion. 7. Repetitive sequence of stretches of DNA sequence and repeated to many times and sometimes 100,000 of times, although have no direct coding function. Means they set light on chromosome of this structure, means dynamics and evolution. 8. Chromosome 1 has most gene. Chromosome 1 has most gene found 2968 in MCQS part, and Y gene has a fewest 231 genes. Chromosome 1 is a 2968 genes and Y chromosome is a 231 chromosome, first and second. And last, 9. Scientists have identified 1.4 million locations where the single base DNA difference for SNPS. SNPS means single nucleotide polymorphism, pronounced as the SNPs, occurs in humans. This information promise for the revolutionary process finding chromosome location and disease associated sequence for tracing of human history. This is the main important for salient features of human genome. An application for future of challenges of HGP. Deriving meaningful knowledge from DNA sequence will define research through the coming decade or leading to our understanding of biological system. The enormous task required to the expertise and cavity for thousands scientists, varied disciplines in both public and private sector for worldwide. This is the importance of HGP application. One of the greatest impacts of the HG sequence may well be enabling radically a new approach to the biological research, most used for in HGP or biological research. In the past, researchers study one or few genes at a time with whole genome sequence and new high throughput technology. We can approach question systematically on a much broader scale. They can study genes in a genome for main importance for application for HGP. Example of transcript in a particular tissue, organ or tumor, or how tens of thousands of gene proteins work together, interconnected network of orchidate of chemical of life. HGP is a main two question goals of HGP in 2 marks, and 3 marks salient features of HGP genome means human genome project, and 2 marks application and future of challenge. Next lecture discuss for DNA fingerprinting.